In this video, we will show you a new unified and simplified method of copying tasks and processes with a single point of entry where the user defines all parameters. Let's create a copy of a process instance and include the same input data as in the source process. To accomplish this, we go to the Processes list, click the Actions menu, and select Copy. Afterwards, we need to check the Include Input Data checkbox and finally click the Copy button. As you can see, we've created a new process instance with the same input data. There's no need to additionally click the Save button. The process URL is generated automatically and can be copied and shared at once. Now let's consider a situation where you need to copy a process, but you want to make changes to its structure that should not affect the original process. We can apply the copy action from within the process view, and this time we need to check Create an independent process definition option. After that, we need to name our new process definition and finally click Copy. Here is our new process. Let's check if any changes in the structure will affect the original process. Remove one process step and fix step connections. Let's also change one parameter of a manual step and save this process. Now let's switch to the original process and check its structure. As you can see, it is still unchanged because we've chosen the independent process definition option. But what about the manual step that we changed? It has been updated because the steps in the source and the copied processes have the same definition and all their changes are synchronized. In case you want to create a fully independent copy of a business process where all the steps are copied to new definitions and are not synchronized with their originals, you need to open the Copy dialog, check Create an independent process definition option, and also check Create deep copy option. You also need to enter a postfix that will be applied to all the process's steps names. Let's add Demo 8.3 as a postfix and click Copy to confirm. As a result, you can see a new deep copy of your process. Notice that all the steps have now names with the postfix and are not synchronized with their original steps. This option will save a lot of time and effort for people who want to create a totally new process but do not want to create one from scratch, for people who are passing WorkFusion training programs, and also for quality assurance specialists.